Simple.
With a Carolina chef. We have a couple of special guests today that's going to help us out. And we're going to make, what are we making?
Magic Pancake! Magic Pancake!
Hopefully you guys will enjoy this. So in our Magic Pancakes, we're going to use all-purpose flour, 2 cups. And then we also have a 1/4 cup sugar. And then we have 2 tablespoons of baking powder, or 2 tablespoons of, messed up again. 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1.5 baking soda. And then we'll use a half of a stick of melted butter. We'll throw our magic ingredient in, 7-Up, which you probably have never put in pancakes. Then we'll also use milk. There's a 1.5 cups of milk, so it'll be about a 1/2 cup of 7-Up we'll add to this. 2 eggs we'll beat before we add it to the milk and the butter. And then we'll use about 2 tablespoons of vanilla. And we've already added 2 tablespoons of honey in with our eggs. You can see it.
I like honey.
Do you like honey? Yeah, it's good stuff in it. It's also good for you. You can have maybe about a tablespoon a day, and that'll help out with your allergies. But get it from your area that started. So we're going to first start out by adding our dry ingredients and get those mixed up well. So I'm going to let our little man here put our sugar in. Dump it all in there.
Yeah, get it all in there, brother.
All right, buddy.
Oh, God.
He's going to add the 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1.5. Excuse you okay, buddy?
Are you okay, sir?
Did the dust come up and get you? So so that was 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1.5 baking soda. So we want to mix the dry ingredients real good. So that's all mixed up, and then we're going to go ahead and add our 7-Up to the milk.
I never had 7-Up milk before.
You just don't think you have.
Is there more water in there?
That's 7-Up, buddy. So we have our milk and our 7-Up. We're going to beat our eggs with our honey here.
That looks so really good. Hello everyone, welcome to Hello Dada. Hello everyone.
So we're going to add all of our ingredients here.
It's Dada. It's Dada.
Hey, have fun.
Who did you
So we're going to mix all the liquid together, and we have all of our dry mix together. What's this?
Strawberries, blueberries, chocolate chips.
And what kind are you going to eat? You're going to eat chocolate chips?
Or you can use all of them.
Yeah, you can.
I
And
can
be a
do
chocolate
all
berry
of them.
pancake.
Or it can be, if you only want to put in the chocolate chips and strawberries, it'll be a straw chip. A straw chip pancake.
You mean strawberry chocolate chip? Or chocolate strawberry pancake?
Or you could mix that one or that one.
Yeah. You can put just about any kind of fruit, nuts, chocolate, just about anything in pancakes. And you can make stuffed pancakes with cream cheese. So we got our pan heated up on medium heat with a little bit of butter. And our mix is starting to bubble. So we've let that set for about 5 minutes to get a nice little bubble going. So now we know that everything's working. We're using 1/3 cup. And we'll just set that in the pan and let this cook up. You'll know when you need to start flipping it because you'll start seeing bubbles coming up from the pan. And it'll just come right in through here with a pancake. So you can see the bubbles are starting to form at the top here. So we're getting ready to flip this. The pancakes kind of talk to you. So you'll know when you need to flip it when you start seeing that. And you can just kind of go around the edge if you want. We're going to let this sit for just a little bit longer and let it cook. And then once we flip it, it'll take right at maybe another minute on the other side and it'll be ready to go. So when you want to put your fruit or your chocolate chips in there, you want to do that first thing when you put the pancake in so that the batter will start cooking around that and it'll start cooking around the berries and stuff, and then the juices will start flowing out of the berries. But then with your chocolate chips, it just helps those melt. So we have a nice looking pancake. It looks a little fried just because it's the first pancake. We put about a tablespoon, well actually about a half of a tablespoon of butter. So the other side will look a little different, but your first pancake always kind of looks a little different. A lot of people will use pan spray. I like to use butter just because it gives the pancake a little bit more flavor. Okay, so now we're going to do a blueberry pancake, and I'm going to kind of show you what I mean about when to add your blueberries in. So it's sizzling pretty good, so I'm going to turn it down just a little bit. Then we're going to add these blueberries that we have are fresh blueberries. You can use frozen. And it does take a little bit longer to cook around the frozen blueberries than it does the fresh, just because they're extra cold. So here in a little bit, this will be close to the top of the blueberry. You can see all the bubbles forming on top, so it's good and hot. And then we'll just let it keep cooking for a little bit, and then we'll flip it, and then it'll be about ready to be about time to eat some blueberry pancakes. They're nice, fluffy. I'll cut into it just so you guys can see. Yeah, we'll put syrup on y'all's here in a minute.
But I want to show them ours.
So that's 3 pancakes, and it's probably close to 1 inch tall. That's some pretty good fluffiness and some good height. And here's theirs. His is his eyes are leaking.
Oh, it looks like blood. Blood is coming out because it's part of it.
Thanks for watching today. Remember to do the 3 S's. Smash that like button, subscribe, share with your friends. We hope you enjoyed today. Had a little fun with some pancakes and our special guest here. Hey buddy, what you gonna do on your pancake?
I don't know.
You don't know? You're just gonna throw some stuff in there? All right, start doing what you're gonna do, because you got a little bit of time before we'll flip it. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Your chocolate chip's gonna start melting. Now be careful. I'm gonna put my hand here, so put your arm over my hand so you don't burn your little wrist, buddy. You like putting your stuff in your pancake?
Nose.
Is that your nose?
That's my.
Yeah.
Those are his cheeks.
That's his cheeks. He got red cheeks because it's hot in that pan, right? And then just a little chocolate flavor here and there. Fun, buddy?
Yep.
So what are you doing, Bennett?
I am making chocolate chip mouth, strawberry nose, and blueberry eyes.
Okay.
That's how to put the eyes in.
Is his mouth open? You like making pancakes, don't you, Bennett? You like making pancakes?
I'll need to like it to be cut like that.
Here, let's just do this.
Let's try making a nose shape.
How's that? It's a half circle.
I done.